Hi guys, I'm Brandy. This is Hot Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my Witch's Roots box for October 2019. I am feeling so much better. I had a very nice sleep and no bad dreams. It's all okay. A little bit embarrassed. But I promise to always be honest with these unboxings, and there you have it. So this smells like pure heaven. This is the mailer it came in. I'm so excited. I have loved every single one of these boxes. Oh, chrysanthemum. Yes. I keep these twines. You know that. Ancestral guidance. Oh, these witches at the Witch's Moon know what's up. Chrysanthemum. I'm ready for this ancestor work, and apparently they're ready for me. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. I'm so happy. Okay. Chrysanthemum. Ah. I don't know why am I feeling so awkward. Lord. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is just so pretty. So pretty. Beautiful black feather. I'm going to hold off on the parchment for right now. There's a red in it. I'm going to hold off and see. Okay. Ooh, smells beautiful. Pretty. This box is just so sweet. Making magic, manifesting your dreams, Priestess Moon. This 40 card mini deck features a combination of medieval amulets, Celtic charms. Wow. Very cool. I got one of these in my other box that you might have seen my unboxing for. Yep. Very cool. I've seen some of your guys's too, and I'm really interested in what it means. Ooh, this is like a chocolate brown. It smells wonderful. All right, let's see what the message is here. Very beautiful. Smells like heaven. Love it. During the upcoming Samhain, our ancestors and guides will work to provide us with messages, signs, visions, and guidance. It is important that we prepare for this by creating and maintaining ancestral altars, creating sacred space for divination, and work towards maintaining a sound and silent energy. Yep. This very act allows us to pay our respects and, most importantly, offer up recognition. We are wise enough to know that the answers that we seek are not only provided from within, but can be found without. The power that is held within these practices and rituals are sacred to our craft and instrumental to our spiritual growth. We have created and curated this collection with the intention of assisting you during your practice of ancestral honoring, ultimately resulting in guidance. The magical items in this box are as follows. Chrysanthemums. Dating back to the 14th century, chrysanthemum has enchanted many stories with its symbolism and lore. The ancient cultures of Japan once considered the unfolding of the chrysanthemum's petal to represent pure perfection, often using it as a facilitator of meditation. As stated within the chrysanthemum herbal grimoire artwork, an excellent spiritual defense from paranormal activity. It repels all pests of all kinds, including negative energies, wandering ghosts, and malevolent entities. It is often worn during death and funerary rites as an amulet of life, and traditionally is included on ancestral altars. Planted outside or strategically placed inside the home, chrysanthemum provides potent protection, both warding and blessing the home. Infusions added to bath aid in overcoming bad habits, calming disturbing energies, and easing physical stresses, especially those hindering good rest. Sachets help boost immunity to external attacks and bolsters clarity of mind, sight, and speech. A youthful restorative, chrysanthemum encourages cheerfulness, nobility, and longevity as you embrace the comforting scents and energies of the chrysanthemum flower. Visualize the essence of life and beauty entering your aura. These wonderful flowers and petals are a great token to place among your ancestral altar. We often recommend speaking aloud your intentions while placing flowers and herbs among altars as to fully embrace and make real your purpose. Wonderful. Chrysanthemum artwork, Samhain, spell and intention scroll. That's got to be this. What the heck? It's not very good angle. Sorry, guys. That's got to be this. Prepared and created by A.E. Alden, the beautiful scroll is meant for your personal spell crafting and intention work. As you write your intentions, be clear about your purpose for doing so. Know that this time is sacred to your development and vital for manifestations to flourish into the physical and spiritual realm. Along with parchment, an incantation has been included for you to recite upon completion. Dragon's blood, that's what the beautiful smell is. Dragon's blood ritual incense. Within the soil spell candle. Okay. Making that during your Samhain rituals and ancestral honoring meditations, burn this within the soil spell candle to pay homage to your guides. As the flame dances before you, visualize a doorway of communication opening. Spend time connecting with pictures, personal items, jewelry, and memorabilia. Making magic, manifesting your dream symbol deck by Priestess Moon. This beautiful multi-use deck is one of our favorites to use during space creating and sigil meditations. This 40-card mini deck features a combination of medieval amulets, Celtic charms, alchemical glyphs, and sigils, along with an explanation of how each symbol can help manifest your dreams. Amethyst Tumblestone Samhain Book of Shadows. Beautiful. I love this. I love this box. This box is $29 a month, and I have never been anything but super, super happy with it. If you are looking for, I think, an excellent value, I would say that this is the box to go, just because it gives you a lot for a small, I think, amount. What I would say, though, is that it is herbal focused, so if herbs are not your thing, it might be different. However, herbs are my thing, and I've been working hard for several years now to grow my skills at gardening, because I do have property, and you know, every year I come a long way. It's my life goal to grow most of the food that we eat, but also to have, you know, a garden, a witchy garden, an herbal garden, and a healing garden, and a culinary garden. It's probably not going to be different gardens. I'm just saying, like, I want to pass that information on. So I really like, I'm saving, well, I save almost everything, guys. I'm saving all of these Book of Shadows artworks. I'm collecting. I have a huge apothecary full of herbs at this point, and I'm learning how to grow many myself to keep adding on to them. So it's a really cool box. I didn't open this. I'm not ready to. I think I will when I'm ready to do this, because I'm definitely doing ancestral work. That's something that I committed to. That's my intention for the next 6 months, is to do this work. I'm being called to do this work. If you're watching my channel, I'm being screamed at to do this work. But you know what? That was a lot of my ancestors' way, was yelling. So I'm very, very, very excited. I love it. Can't recommend it enough. Witches Roots, October 2019. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much. And y'all know I love the witches at the Witches Moon. They're amazing. Amazingly talented, and it's usually spot on for my life. Love you guys. Have a good day.